Jiangxi Taurus Technology Company Limited, with a land area of 45,000 square meters. The company is located in Jinggangshan Economic Development Zone Industrial Park, Qingyuan District, Jian City. We focus on research and development and marketing adjustable plastic pedestal, pedestal for tile, pedestal for decking, and other multi-purpose pedestal overhead system. We are committed to providing professional multi-purpose pedestal overhead products, solution constellations, and technical support services for garden landscape, mirror-like waterscape, roof garden, square, fountain, interior decoration, balcony decoration, prefabricated house, and other projects. Taurus Technology has 8 professional automatic production lines with modern machinery and equipment which fully guarantee the product inventory and delivery date of customers' orders. At the same time, our company set up a quality inspection center with a full range of testing equipment to ensure that each batch of adjustable plastic pedestal meet the market request. The daily output of our company is 10,000 pieces. We can provide customized design services. The regular stock of our company is 80,000 pieces. Our company can deliver on the day of placing an order. We have signed long-term strategic cooperation with Courier. Our products have been exported to most parts of the world. Our company has sales team and technical service team of nearly 36 people. We specialized in providing faster and better services for customers. We have got the CE, RAW certifications in 2017. Thank you.